In primetime news this evening, NIDS back on the government agenda. Administration wants to pass legislation by the end of the year. Government and opposition spar over tablets for schools. And later, Junction Road reopens.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janela Precious. Also this evening, the Business Day, Primetime Sports, Sports Commentary, E-Prime and Weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what more can be done to ensure all students have equal access to learning tools this academic year?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.